Check it out, guys. This cable tester I bought, a CT20 cable tester. Badass, man. Look it. Check it out. You got all your, any wire you can think of, any cable, 1/4 inch input, RCAs, DMX cables, XLR, speak-ons, what have you, USB-A, USB-B, USB-C, HDMI, micro USB, Type-C, any cable you can think of. Hook it up to one side. Hook one cable up to one side. Right there. Hook it up to the other. And it measures all the pins resistance. Look at that. Good cable. Do that with any cable you want. 90, I think I got like I forgot how much I paid for this thing, but if you guys are interested, just let me know.